Welcome back बच्चों. In this video, we will discuss the exercises of Chapter 2, your NCERT Science of Class 6. We will be discussing exercises. So, let us begin. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to it and make sure you press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Before proceeding, let's discuss some keywords we come across in this chapter. So, our keywords are balanced diet, berry, carbohydrates, energy, fats, minerals, nutrients, proteins, roughage, scurvy, starch, and vitamins. Now, our question number 1 was, name the major nutrients in our food. This is your question number 1 in your exercise. Name the major nutrients in our food. So the answer will be, the major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, you can discuss or you can tell roughage and water also. But the main nutrients in our food are these 5 nutrients. Now question number 2 is, name the following. So question number A, the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. So we all know carbohydrate and fats are the energy giving foods. Number B, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body, and the answer will be proteins. C, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. So we all know the answer will be vitamin A. Number D, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. And to keep our bones healthy, we require vitamin D. So the answer will be vitamin D. Now, question number 3. Name 2 foods rich in. We have to give examples of foods which are rich in. Number A, fats. So the answer will be eggs and meat. Starch. Answer will be wheat and potato. C, dietary fiber, that we will get from whole grains and pulses. And D, protein. So the food name are fish and soya beans. We will move to our next question. The next question is, tick the correct statement that are correct. We have to tick mark the correct statement. So we will first read all the 4 questions. So question number A is, by eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutrition requirement of our body. Do you think it is right? Number B, deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Number C, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. मीन्स हमारे डाइट में एक वैरायटी ऑफ फूड आइटम्स होनी चाहिए. Number D, meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. That means meat is alone is sufficient to provide nutrients. Do you think? And in the if you discuss the meaning of question number A, by eating rice alone, so here it is alone, here it is also meat alone. So our diet should be our diet should contain all variety, not alone. So the right, and we will say the correct statement are number B and number C. That is deficiency disease. Our deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. So this is the correct statement. And C, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Got it? Now, question number 5. Fill in the blanks. So, question number A. Dash is caused by vitamin D. So, with the deficiency of vitamin B, what we caused? Answer will be rickets. Number B. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. So, answer will be vitamin B1. Question number C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. The answer is scurvy. Question number D. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. What will be the answer? Vitamin A. With the deficiency of vitamin A, the night blindness is caused. So this was all about your exercises of chapter 2 NCERT Science. So how do you like the video? If you like the video, press a like and please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends, your class friends, your classmates. Thank you.